Hello again. We are now in the high tension episode, the duel of titans. a9s Search versus a9s Elasticsearch. Who will rise above them all? Well, not exactly. This video is not meant as a side-by-side comparison purely. Rather, we would like to take the time to properly convey what the future of a9 Elasticsearch looks like and the role that a9 Search will play in it. As stated before, a9 Search is meant as a full replacement for our Elasticsearch-based a9s Elasticsearch data service, which will soon be deprecated. With a9 Search, we will continue to facilitate to platform owners the ability to offer a world-class search engine service to their platform users, but without worrying with license-related concerns. From a user's point of view, the transition is low effort, since our infrastructure-agnostic automation, just like with our a9s Elasticsearch instances, supports platform operators during the whole life cycle of an OpenSearch service instance, both on-premise and in infrastructures of the cloud providers of your choice. With a9 Search, we offer our users of our a9s Elasticsearch data services a guaranteed 100% API-compliant alternative to Elasticsearch, which is sustainable, future-proof, and in continuous improvement. We also offer the possibility of migrating from a9s Elasticsearch to a9 Search. In a future video, we will take a deeper look into how to do this. We also offer our staple built-in backup migration and service binding features, which translates for our current users of a9s Elasticsearch as a seamless switch to a9 Search. This allows you to maintain the code of your existing applications bound to Elasticsearch with little to no changes. This isn't to say that the change doesn't bring any extra benefits. The most noticeable one, and enabled by default, is the full security suite that OpenSearch provides via the OpenSearch security plugin, which you can interact with by setting the proper values as a custom parameter. Take a look at our custom parameter episodes to learn more about it. In summary, with this shift, we are ensuring that we can keep providing the necessary automation for a world-class search engine, all at the tip of your fingers with the a9s Data Services bundle. In the next episode, we will take a closer look at the process of migration from a9s Elasticsearch to a9 Search. Thank you for watching.